Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to this platform, Prince TV. If now first time to come across, what you do for me now to subscribe to the platform, and then you put on your notification bell like this. Anytime I upload my video, you go be the first person who will see and you see how it still take place. So, alright, this particular update, and something like say, now good news for those ones who like say they go arrive from Libya now. You know, every time Lamorgese of Italy, they find how to give solidarity to immigrants who like say they for Italian side, and those ones who like say they need to arrive. Every time this lady go for different places for the European base, asking them to give them the solidarity to relocate immigrants who will be arriving in Italy. You understand? They give this update most times. Now, as it be like this, the story don't get to the limit whereby Lamorgese demand immediate effects because Matteo Salvini don't come out con rompi coglioni this afternoon as opposed to show another video where they call on Mario Draghi say the rate at which immigrants they land again now for the Lampedusa, it come be like say the thing don't dey too much again. If he start to talk again now, so they go say in a person like say they do propaganda. You understand? So that is why Lamorgese have taken an immediate action to draft out on how to relocate those people will like say they would arrive from Libya to other European country. Now I'm gonna go for article more and see how Lamorgese put effort on this particular issue. Alright, he said here, Migrant Minister Lamorgese on the EU activating relocation commissioner Johansson to member states show solidarity with Italy. Now let's go to the major article here. Listen, he said, after the continuous landing in Lampedusa, the Minister of the Interior, Luciano Lamorgese, had an interview with the European Commissioner for Internal Affairs, Ylva Johansson, on the migrant issue. Alright, listen, he said here, the Lamorgese explained that Italy's immediate aim, pending the outcome of the part on immigration and asylum, is activated by the summer, a temporary mechanism of solidarity between European states for art placement. So now wetin Lamorgese they explain for this place now, so they need to distribute art immigrants with immediate effect on this summertime like say it dey come because they know say the rate at which immigrants go take arrive this time around now, so it go dey too much. That is why Lamorgese have called for immediate intervention. Now let's see a little bit forward with the article. But here he said the owner of the Interior Ministry explained to Commissioner Johansson the number of arrival and the focus for the summer season, which is coincide with the estimate of the EU Commission. Now listen to this part here. He said, in light of this data, the minister called for an immediate change of course in the direction of greater solidarity with Italy. So Lamorgese is calling immediate effects. Now listen to this part. He said, in fact, we cannot wait for the timing of the controversial negotiation underway on the European part for immigration and asylum. You understand? He said, it is immediately necessary that a group of countries, as happened in September 2019 with the Malta Agreement in which France and Germany also participated, take charge of automatically welcoming on the basis of a mechanism of shared quotes the migrants rescued at sea. Lamorgese they call on immediate effects for this summer time. Maybe like say immigrants go they arrive from the Libyan side. You know this thing they tried to do it in 2019, whereby they tried to distribute a little bit, and then now this time around Lamorgese is calling with immediate effects that Italy need a solidarity mechanism to distribute or to relocate immigrants. Whereby like say they arrive from Libya. Now let me give you guys this last paragraph because this video is just short update to let you know how Lamorgese see the work for her part as the Minister del Interno. Alright, listen, he said, at the end of the interview, Johansson thanked Italy for its commitment to managing flow and acknowledged that Europe must give a signal of solidarity. You understand? He said, I spoke today with Minister Lamorgese, said Johansson, and in face of this enormous amount of people arriving in a very short time, there is a need for solidarity with Italy, and I ask the other member states to support relocations. I know that it is more difficult to manage migration flow during the pandemic, but it is possible to do so, and it is time to show solidarity with Italy. So guys, this is a green light for those ones who be like say they're going to arrive from Libya. So Anyhow it be, I go still dey give una updates, but when I get that for mind say people when they arrive for Libya, now what they talk about now, not be people be like say we fed there here already. Those ones who be arriving from Libya, there will be a solidarity mechanism for them to be relocated to other European countries, because since they call themselves EU, they have to take responsibility throughout the member states. So this is what they stated already. So Lamorgese hit fire as Salvini go hit Mario Draghi. Then Mario Draghi also hit the Lamorgese when they're in charge of immigrants, and Lamorgese tried to hit the other authorities of the European Commission so that they will put in this mechanism to distribute immigrants. So now sometimes like say it makes sense. If it don't happen, I'll still come let una know how it take the place. So because the rate at which people they arrive again now, so it's too much, and all these things, all of them don't go fit stay for the Italian side. At the end of the day, they wait for documents, they wait for different kind of things. Delay go they come. But if the distribute go for other places, it will be wise, just like they have stated. So we'll see the outcome of the results. Anyhow it be, stay tuned with this particular channel, this particular update. We'll go hold on until we see the reality and the practical where they distribute out immigrants. If you never subscribe to the platform, may try to subscribe. Till next time again, we'll be together. Ciao.